Good morning, everybody. So, after the experiment yesterday with the snow, we had someone ask that I put it in a pan and do it on the stovetop. And people were concerned that it wasn't melting in the microwave. So, I'm going to do both again and leave it a little longer in the microwave. So, got some here for the microwave. And got a nice big bunch for the stovetop. Come on. Come on. Don't you even think about going next door. Come on. Come on. Okay. So, stovetop. It's a little more compact today just because it's sat all over the night. My husband was trying to say that the popping in the microwave was due to the ice crystals exploding, you know, trying to bring logic into the situation. And then I had to bring common sense into the situation, and I said, well, that doesn't make sense. You know, there's this one for the microwave. Because the guy that was showing the video from Texas was also showing it looked like it was sparking. So here we go into the microwave, and I'm going to do it longer to see how well it melts.
Mom, can I use some of that snow?
Can you have some snow? Sure. How much do you want?
I'll let it.
I can't melt if you have all of it. Now what you gonna do? Your hands are cold. Okay, so here on the, I figure medium heat should be good. So, would help if I put it on the right burner. Get the snow off of there. There we go. Okay, let's see what happens. We've got 2 minutes in the microwave. I think I did it about a minute yesterday, but I had opened it and pulled it out in that time frame. And here we go on medium heat on the stovetop. And I'm going to pause for a second because I want to take off my coat. I noticed when I was taking off my coat, it melted pretty quickly on the stovetop, even without some heat on it. Turn it up a little bit. Okay, guys, it definitely melted in the microwave at 2 minutes. There is some floaties in it. I wouldn't think too much of it just because it was out. You know, it wasn't a fresh snow overnight, although we did have a little bit of snow. It was more just collecting stuff from the atmosphere, I think. So that is from the microwave. It did melt on 2 minutes. No popping and snapping that I heard of while that was going on. And we'll come back to the stove. It is melting. weird because there's not a puddle of water yet, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure, you know, different areas can have different things in their atmosphere. This was from the same storm that was hitting Texas. But then again, you know, maybe everything came out of whatever was in the sky produced by the government, which is very well possible. I just saw a weather machine create a cloud and rain down in Mississippi, and that was pretty scary and awesome at the same time. So here we go. It's definitely melting away. Anyway, what I was saying, if it was produced in the sky by the government, it's very well possible that maybe the snow down in Texas had more of whatever it took to produce the storm than what we had, because, you know, it went from Washington all the way down to Texas and then back up through Ohio to Maine and all that. So there's definitely some more black floaties, and I did get this from the bush again, where it was not being stepped on or contaminated by my dog. So let's see what we can see in here. Yeah, it's not a whole lot of anything. There was a couple little black floaties. See if I can pick one up. Probably trying to pick up some remnants of bird poop or something. I'll make sure I wash my hands. I can't get it, but it's definitely a solid piece of and actually, guys, it's looking like there's only a couple flakes in there of some black. So yeah, I mean, it's definitely melted in both situations. We do have some flakes of blackness and stuff in here. I'm sure that's just dirt from the atmosphere. So there you go. I wanted to try this to see if there was any film or anything funky looking in the water, because I didn't let it melt the last time. So we definitely have some decent looking snow. Oh, here's the other one. Didn't pop, snap, crackle, anything like that. There's quite a bit of funkiness in this one. So anyway, all right, there you go, guys. Enjoy.